Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your cyber sample paper with solution.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing great. Congratulations once again for clearing round 1 of the NOF Cyber Olympiad. Today we'll be solving sample paper 1 of the Cyber Champions League. I'll explain each question and also tell you the correct answer. Question number 1. What is the main purpose of a computer? A. To help us learn and work. B. To store pictures. C. To play games. And D. All of the above. So the correct answer is D, all of the above. Because we can store pictures, play games, and learn, as well as we can work on computer. Let's move on to second question. Which of these is a part of computer? A. Keyboard. B. Backpack. C. Desk. D. A and B. So the correct answer is option A, keyboard, which is given just right here. Question number 3. What can you do with a computer? A. Write stories. B. Draw pictures. C. Listen to music. D. All of the above. The correct answer is B. All of the above, because you can write stories, draw pictures, and listen to music as well. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 4. Which key on the keyboard helps you start a new line? A. Spacebar. B. Enter. C. Shift. And D. Backspace. The correct answer is option B. Enter. Because by using spacebar, you can give spaces in between 2 letters. Using shift, you can make the letter capital. And using a backspace button, you can delete a certain letter. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 5. What does a computer mouse help you do? A. Type. B. Move the cursor. C. Turn on the computer. D. All of the above. The correct answer is move the cursor. Question number 6. How do you turn on a computer? A. Plug it in and press a button. B. Use the mouse. C. Clap your hands. And D. Ask someone else to do it. The correct answer is option A. Plug it in and then press the power button. Question number 7. Which program lets you paint and draw pictures on the computer? A. MS Excel. B. MS PowerPoint. C. MS Word. D. MS Paint. Here, MS stands for Microsoft. And the correct answer is option D. Microsoft Paint. Question number 8. What does a computer need to connect to the internet? A. A mouse. B. A television. C. A keyboard. And D. A network cable. The correct answer is option D. A network cable. Question number 9. Which of these helps the computer think and make decisions? A. Processor. B. Printer. C. Keyboard. And D. Monitor. The correct answer is option A, because printer helps you print, keyboards helps you to type, and monitors shows you the output. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 10. If you want to close a window on the computer, which key should you press? A. Shift. B. Alt F4. C. Enter. And D. Control plus S. The correct answer is option B, because Control plus S lets you save certain program or files. Question number 11. What can you use a computer mouse for? A. Moving the cursor. B. Scrolling up and down. C. Clicking buttons. D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 12. Which icon on the desktop is used to open files or folders? A. This is a sign of recycle bin. B. It is a sign of icons, which is files and folders. Option C, which is a Word, MS Word. And D, which is a symbol of calendar. The correct answer is option B. Question number 13. Which device lets you type text on the computer? Here you have an example photo, which is of a keyboard. So the correct answer is keyboard. Question number 14. Where are files stored on a computer? A. Hard drive. B. Keyboard. C. Monitor. And D. Mouse. So, in all the four, the storage devices, A. Hard drive, because keyboard and mouse are input devices and monitors are output device. Question number 15. Which button on the keyboard is used to make a space between words? A. Backspace. B. Shift. C. Spacebar. D. Enter. So the correct answer is C. Spacebar. Question number 16. Which icon helps you browse the internet? A. Calculator. B. Paint. C. Recycle bin. D. Chrome or any other browser. The correct answer is D. Chrome. Question number 17. What does the computer use to show you information? A. Monitor. B. Printer. C. Keyboard. And D. Mouse. In order to see the information on a computer, a monitor is required. So the correct answer is A. Monitor. Question number 18. Which key do you press to delete the letter before the cursor? So this is your cursor and you have to delete the letters which are before the cursor. So which key you will press? A. Enter. B. Backspace. C. Spacebar. Or D. Delete. You will press backspace key. Option number B. Question number 19. How can you move the cursor on the computer screen? A. Use the keyboard. B. Use the mouse. C. Tap the screen. D. Both A and B. So, in order to move the cursor, you have to use the mouse. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 20. What happens when you press the power button on the computer? A. The computer turns off. B. The computer makes a sound. C. The computer turns on. And D. The computer starts the internet. So, the correct answer is, can you all guess? The correct answer is option number C. The computer turns on. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 21. Which of these is a way to draw pictures on the computer? A. MS Excel. B. MS Paint. C. MS Word. And D. MS PowerPoint. So, the correct answer is option number B. Question number 22nd. What does the computer use to remember information? A. Memory. B. Monitor. C. Keyboard. And D. Mouse. The correct answer is option A. Memory. Question number 23. How can you make the computer screen brighter or dimmer? Option A. Use the brightness button. Option B. Adjust the volume. C. Press the Control plus Shift keys. And D. Both A and C. The correct answer is option A. Use the brightness button. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 24. Which key on the keyboard is used to capitalize a letter? Option A, caps lock, B, control, C, alt, or D, enter. The correct answer is option A, caps lock. Question number 25th. What comes next in the pattern? It's a star, a moon, a star, a moon, a star, and a moon. The correct answer is option B, moon. Question number 26th. Which part of the computer allows you to give commands? A, keyboard, B, printer, C, monitor, and D, mouse. The correct answer is option A, keyboard. Question number 27th. What should you not do with the computer? Use the mouse carefully, that you should do. Turn it off after use, which you should do. Eat or drink near the computer? No. Type with clean hands? Yes. So the correct answer is option number C. Question number 28. What does the computer use to create and display images? A, processor, B, memory, C, graphics card, and D, all of the above. The correct answer is C, graphics card. Question number 29. Which key on the keyboard is used to confirm an action? Option A, spacebar. Option B, enter. Option C, shift. Option D, control. In order to confirm an action, you have to click enter key. Question number 30. What happens when you double click the mouse on an icon? The icon disappears, the icon gets bigger, the icon opens a program, or the icon changes color. The correct answer is option number C. The icons open the program. Question number 31. How can you make the text on the computer screen smaller? A. Use the mouse wheel. B. Tap the zoom button. C. Press the control minus key. And D. All of the above. The correct answer is option C. Press the control minus key. Question number 32. What does the computer use to communicate with other devices? A. Monitor. B. Network connection. D. Mouse, or C. Keyboard. The correct answer is option number B. Network connection. Question number 33. Which key on the keyboard is used to move the cursor to the next line? That means if your cursor is on first line and you have to move it to the next line, which key you will use? A. Enter. B. Spacebar. C. Backspace, or D. Shift. The correct answer is option A. Enter. Question number 34th. Which is the sixth animal? And here it is given that this is the first animal. So it's a pig first, horse on second, duck on third, peacock on fourth, this parrot on fifth, and a woodpecker on sixth. So in options, where can you see this? Option A. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 35. Find the next term in the series. So it is given A, B, C, D. So in alphabets A, B, C, D, and E. So let's find E. Option A says F. Option B also says F. Option C says E. And option D says D. We need to find an E. So correct answer is option C. Question number 36. Find the next term in the sequence. It's given a straight line in first. In second, we have a stem on right. In third, we have a stem on left as well and a flower on right. On C, we have this flower, and the stem here. Then we have three flowers and the stem on the left. Then what will be the last figure? The correct answer is option A. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the stem on right. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 37. What can you use the computer mouse for? A. Scrolling up and down. B. Moving the cursor around. C. Clicking on things. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 38. How can you solve a problem on the computer if you are stuck? A. Ask someone for help. B. Use the computer's help feature. C. Try again and again. And D. Both B and C. The correct answer is option number B. Because you have to solve a problem. So you cannot ask someone for help. And if you will try again and again, you don't know the trick to solve it. So you have to use computer's help feature. Question number 39. Which programs on the computer lets you make slideshows? First, MS Excel, B. MS Word, C. MS PowerPoint, and D. MS Paint. For your hint, a sign of PowerPoint is already given. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 40. What happens when you press the Ctrl plus S shortcut on the keyboard? A. It saves the current document. B. It opens a new file. C. It closes the program. D. It changes the font size. The correct answer is option A. It saves the correct document. That's it for this videos. Here is the answer key. You can refer to it as well. And I'll see you in the next video with explaining you the sample paper 2 of Cyber Champions League.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.